right click, again come to the structure, case structure. Okay, we can use case, okay, we use case structure to control different program according to our requirement, according to our functions. Okay, so this one is a case structure, and we can take this case structure from this platform. Okay, now if you right click, okay, if you will press the control H, then it will open one context cell. Okay, and if you will click on the case structure, so context cell will open one. So context cell will show you the information about the case structure. Case structure contain one or more sub diagram or cases. Case structure contain one or more sub diagram or cases, exactly one of which execute when the structure executes. Okay, exactly one of which case execute when the structure executes. Okay, now again, okay, the value wired to the case structure, can case selector determine which case will execute. So now let's discuss about the case structure. This one is the case structure. This case structure has two cases right now. Okay, one is false and one is true. Why? This is the case selector, and this case selector label, this is the case selector. Okay, this case selector has the green color, so it means it is a boolean. Okay, boolean. So boolean has two conditions, true and false. So that's why it's controlled true and false, two cases. Now, okay, this one is the false. So how can we? So let's see. If there is an, okay, so let's see how we can use the case structures. So first we will work on only the basic idea, okay, with the basic case structure. So for that, come to the front panel. Right click on the front panel, go to the boolean, take button, okay, and take OK button. We know the mechanical action of OK button is a latch, so we will change it into the switch when pressed. It means you can take any of the boolean with the mechanical action of switch when pressed. We will connect like this. Okay, now there is two button, okay, and no, there's two concept, okay, and not okay. So now when we will press okay, so it will generate true. So for that, right click, you are inside, you are in true condition. You are in true condition. Okay, you are in true condition. Okay, now after that, look at here. So you are in true condition. So every time, okay, you need to connect this wire with the body. Okay, because from every case there will be only one output. Okay, you can make 10 cases, but output will be one only. Okay, constant, you are in false condition. Okay, now this one is a case structure. Run. Okay, look at here. First, then you do. Now I had pressed run continuous. When I will press, you are in true condition, you are in false condition, you are in true condition, you are in false condition. Okay, now look at here. It's okay. So you are in false condition. You are in false condition because it's generating false. When I will press true, so it will convert. You are in true condition. So it is a basic case structure. Please design this case structure. Please design this case structure. Okay, and inform me if you have done. I am going to write one second code. So there is, I am taking one current temperature. This one is the current temperature. Okay, and this one is the ideal temperature. Okay, ideal temperature. Okay, now I will use, if the current temperature is greater than ideal temperature, show, I can use case structure. If current temperature is greater than ideal temperature, if yes, greater than and equal to ideal temperature, so I will heat stroke, heat, okay, no, heat stroke, no, TEMP, temperature is very high, very high. TUR, turn on AC, air condition. Okay, now if no, current, okay, TEMP, temperature is lower than ideal TEMP. So it is second condition. Now right click, create indicators. Okay, it will display output. I am going to copy same idea. Right click, create constant, so change into constant. Right click, label, upper TEMP, upper temperature. Okay, now if the current temperature, so it is turned on, right, AC, it will same. In the second condition, if the temperature is, again I will compare, So higher temperature is 50 degree and lower temperature is 20 degree. It is for lower temperature. If the lower temperature is less than current temperature, sorry, if the current temperature is less than lower temperature, so we will use this concept. Case structure inside the case structure. If the lower temperature is okay, if the current temperature is lower than the lower temperature, yes, then current temperature current temperature is okay less than current temperature is very low, very low, low. TUR and turn on heater. OWEN, oven. Turn on oven. Okay. Now, if the current temperature is not, so current temperature CURRENT current temp is very good. So here it is just like a previous one. If the current temperature is greater than 50, so now let's check. Run. Turn off on. True. Turn on. Now run. Current temperature, because the current temperature is 0, so it is very low. Is very low. Okay, spelling mistake again. VER, very low. Current temperature is very low. If I will increase, now it is 21, so the current temperature is very good. Okay, so the current temperature is very good. If the current temperature will go more than 50, so temperature is very high. Please design this program